The following message is transmitted at the request of the Utah Division of Emergency Management and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. All citizens in the state of Utah who get indoors immediately. To repeat, get indoors immediately. Very dangerous anomalous entities have been sighted all across the state ever since the commencing of the 2024 solar eclipse. These entities have been described as having all black bodies seemingly made up of nothing but smoke, with pitch-white glowing eyes. These entities have been showing hostile behaviors towards all residents. The entities seem to have no way of manipulating tangible objects such as doors, which is why staying inside is your best option. Despite this, these entities cannot be killed or fatigued by conventional means such as guns or knives, and all attempts to use such weaponry have been proven futile. However, they show clear signs of disturbance when in close proximity with light. Therefore, you are advised to turn as many lights in your home as possible. This is all for now. We will provide additional information on the situation through new outlets and the emergency alert system.